We're here at Progressive Screen in Sarasota, Florida, where I'm about to get an exclusive look at the new MagnaTrack system, which has been custom integrated into Azenco Pergolas. Let's take a look inside. So right back this way is the factory. They're putting the final touches on the integration. Charles is here from Azenco, meeting with Arthur, the president here at Progressive Screen. Let's see what kind of progress they're making. Have a look at that. The meeting of the minds. Once they're done with this, we're going to jump onto a podcast with Arthur, where they're going to talk about this integration, where the idea came from, and how it's going to benefit you guys as dealers. So stay tuned. And with me today is Mr. Arthur James, president and founder of Progressive Screens. We're talking about screen integration. What's the difference between, because you guys have been putting up screens on Azenco Pergolas for quite a while now. Yep. What's different now?
What we're going to be doing is really integrating everything so that it's fully concealed, looks as a fully designed and engineered system to give the clients and the end users, all those benefits and the aesthetic appeal that it's going to bring to the table.
This is the brainchild of you, Charles, Leslie, working together trying to find a solution. Did you have outcry from dealers or end customers about a more sleek solution, or was this just market instinct?
A little bit of both,
okay.
And all the above. So it's something that has been discussed over the years because, our product has kind of been a bolt-on to not only the Azenco, but also other pergolas within the industry. Some of the other companies have done a similar, but not as sleek as what we're designing here, with an integrated screen or system, to fulfill those needs. It's going to give it a phenomenal look with the hood concealing all around, which is going to also allow the weight bar to retract up into the opening. The tracks will be concealed into the columns, both in the inline and the corner sections on there, so it fits all the applications of what would be necessary for the pergola.
Now, what I'm really excited for is how this is going to help our dealer network. Talk to me about how dealers can pitch this product as they're going out and quoting jobs.
I love the way that the hood, the design that all of us came up with, where it conceals the weight bar when it's fully retracted, so you don't even notice that the screens are installed. It also gives a different dimensional detail to the Azenco system that I think makes it more robust, and really looks great.
Charles, we all made the 3-hour trek up here to finalize this design. How important is it that Charles come here and get hands on the project today?
Absolutely. He's the creator of all this. So, this is his baby, just like MagnaTrack is my baby. So, all of us are very much involved in the whole process of this.
Is this also a retrofit option for current pergolas?
Absolutely.
Can you walk me through that?
All those existing pergolas that don't have screens is potential for additional business. The way the whole system works, there's a couple brackets that hold the concealed fit system onto it that Charles has worked, phenomenally on, designing. The housing actually locks onto the top beam and comes around. It's going to have corner sections on it, so when you are doing those 90-degree corners, it has a corner plate which covers and conceals the whole hood configuration. It also has an end plate if you're going up against a wall or a dead end on the system.
It doesn't impede any of our gutter space. We don't lose any volume whatsoever.
Oh, absolutely, because everything's designed on the outside. So it definitely does not impede any of the gutter system, the water management, on the product. All of that still works the same.
All right, so let's talk about what's on every dealer's mind: pricing, how do we sell this, and installation times.
So installation time should be about the same.
Okay.
Because it's all similar components that we're using. From the standard MagnaTrack hood to the concealed fit hood, installing the tracks are going to be about the same. So your install time should remain consistent.
Okay. And then show me the money. What are we talking about with cost here?
The price point that you're actually, if you bought the two products individually, the Azenco and the MagnaTrack system, you should almost end up about the same price, which is super cool.
Awesome. Well, I won't hold you back any longer. Thanks a lot for coming on the show.
You got it. It's been wonderful. Thank
Absolutely.
you. And thank you, everybody.